Hello, first grade. My name is Ms. Ramirez, and today for math, we are going to be practicing more on how to use our 10 frames, and we're going to be practicing by solving some word problems. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to review our vocabulary just so y'all can always remember your vocabulary and y'all can just put it in your brain and just stick it in there forever. Yes? Okay, so our first word we're going to review is add. So when we add, remember we are joining. So adding and joining is the same thing. So when we have 1 strawberry plus 1 strawberry, that is 2 strawberries. So we are joining them together. We are adding. Okay, and then we have another word which is separating or subtraction. So when we are subtracting, that means that we are taking away. So we have 3 dogs and we subtract 1 dog, we are taking it away. We also discussed that it's the same thing as separating. So if we have 3 dogs, we are separating 1 dog. Okay. Then we also talked about difference. So when we have a difference is we have a subtraction problem, right? Yes. So we have 3 giraffes minus 1 giraffe equals 2 giraffes. So the number of giraffes, the total after subtracting, that is the difference. Okay, then for sum, so sum is when we are adding. So if we have 2 basketballs and we add 3 soccer balls, we have 5 balls in total. So this total, so the total when we are adding, that is called the sum. So this is the sum. So we're talking more about total. So what is total? The total number of items you have. So how many ducks do we have in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the total. Then what we're going to talk about today are some 10 frames. We're going to be practicing with them. So a little refresher is make a 10, build a 10. So if we have 8 blue circles and 7 red circles, that is the same as if we would have 5 red circles on one 10 frame and then 2 red circles on another 10 frame. Because right here we have 7, so if we have 5 here and 7 on another one, or 2 on another one, sorry, 5 plus 2 equals 7, right? Yes. So if we have 8 blue circles on this 10 frame and we have 8 here, they are the same. Okay. And then doubles. So if we have 3 blue circles on this 10 frame and 3 red circles on this 10 frame, it is equal to, it's the same as if we had them just on one 10 frame, because we still have 3 red circles and we still have 3 blue circles. Okay, so let's practice with our 10 frames. So we're going to go ahead and go to our activity. So we're going to go to our activity for the day. And this is adding and subtracting within 10. So let's read the problem. Paul wanted to fill boxes with 10 colored golf balls. He put some green golf balls in the boxes and needs help filling the rest of the boxes with yellow golf balls. Help Paul finish packing the boxes by coloring in the remaining balls and completing the number sentence. So how many golf balls does Paul need in these boxes? Let's read again. Pa wanted to fill boxes with 10 colored golf balls. So how many golf balls does he need to fill? 10, right? He needs 10 golf balls in each box. So he says he needs to fill the rest of the box with yellow golf balls. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So on this first problem, let's look at it. So let's see. First we have 2 green golf balls, right? So how many green do we have? 1, 2, right? So what we're going to do is you're going to just double click on this green box right here and you're going to type in the number 2 because we have 2 green golf balls. So we don't know how many yellow golf balls we have, but we need 10 golf balls, right? Okay, so we have 2 golf balls so far. So we have 1, 2. So let's start adding yellow golf balls until we make 10. So we're going to click the counters and, we're going to click the counters and we're just going to drag them to the white spaces, like that. So we're going to do that until we make 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, and then drag 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count again just to double check that we have 10 golf balls, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And these don't have to be perfect. They just have to be in the boxes. So y'all are able to count them individually. So yay, we have 10 golf balls. But now we just need to see how many yellow golf balls we have. So let's only count the yellow ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many yellow golf balls do we have? 8. That's right. So we're going to go ahead and double click the yellow box and you'll see a little cursor and you're going to type in the number 8. So you're just going to double tap with your finger on these boxes and you're going to type in the number. So we have 8. So 2 green golf balls plus 8 yellow golf balls equals 10 golf balls, right? Yes, and let's double check. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and go on to the next problem. So first, let's see how many green golf balls we have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, double click with your finger and you're going to just type in 5 because we have 5 green golf balls. So again, we need 10 golf balls. So we have to figure out how many more yellow golf balls we need. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's grab our yellow counters and keep going. So now we have 6. Now we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Now we have 10 golf balls, right? Okay, so now we need to figure out how many yellow golf balls we have. So let's just count the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to double click again and you're just going to enter the number 5. So 5 green golf balls plus 5 yellow golf balls equals 10 golf balls. Perfect. You are doing great. So for your activity for today, you are going to complete these 4 10 frames. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. You're going to do exactly what I did. So you're going to grab the yellow 10 frames and the yellow counters, You're going to drag the yellow counters over to your 10 frame in order to get 10 golf balls, okay? So you're going to do that for these 4. And you're going to complete a number sentence. So it's going to be a little harder because you don't have 10 frames. But y'all can do it. Y'all will be okay. Y'all just have to remember all the vocabulary and everything that we learned. And y'all will be able to complete the number sentence. So for the number sentence, it says 1 green plus blank yellow equals 10 golf balls. So you have to figure out how many yellow golf balls you need in order to make 10 golf balls. So if you already have 1 green, how many more yellow do you need? If you have 7 green golf balls, how many yellow golf balls do you need to make 10? So you're just going to fill these in. And after you're done with this, you're going to turn it into Google Classroom to your math teacher, okay? Yes, so y'all need to do this one, this one, this one, and this one. So these 4 10 frames and complete the 2 number sentences, okay? Okay, I'll see y'all next time for math. Bye!